Alright, y'all. I had to try one more, sorry. $1 denom, $20 bet, 10 lines. And let's see what we can get. Come on. Oh. It's not gonna give it to me, is it? 3 more spins. There we go. Come on now. Come on. Oh, you bugger. Come on. There we go. Brush eyes, fingers, and toes. It's been a good night. I tell you what, it's January 3rd. Happy birthday to my best bud, Trace. Boy, if you were here, we'd be out celebrating. Come on, keep us in the game. What are you doing? Come on, come on, come on, come on. There we go. Come on, drop a triple major for me. Just greedy, ain't I? Woo, thank you, Jesus. Oh, I saw. Did you not see that triple major go through? Did you not see that? Y'all, I told you it's the year of the grand jackpot. We still got 3 games to go. Oh, we'll take the minor too. We'll take a triple minor. Nice. Thank you, Jesus. Come on. Alright. Come on. That's a good one. $520. We still got 3 spins to go. Let's see what we'll get. Come on. Give us one more. All right. All right. Okay, give it to it. Oh, there we go. Nice. Come on, we need some words. Use your words. Use your words, baby. Come on, baby. We saw that major go through again. Right here. Thank you, Jesus. Come on. Give me some color. Give me some words. Oh, my heart. Come on, baby. Ooh. Alright. 3 spins to go. Oh, crap. We're almost out of HandPay. Let's see if we can stay under. Oops. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. We're over. Alright, y'all. 3rd HandPay. I guess I'm done. Oops, excuse me. Alright, this is Sasha Slot Show. Thank you so much for watching. Talk to you soon.